magtatagal na kasi late na talaga kami.
Next.
Okay na tayo? Sir?
Okay na?
Guys, thank you very much po!
Okay na, ma'am, sir.
Ano?
Excuse mo.
Wala na kaming ano yan? Lord and Lord yan.
Pasok po kayo.
Kabalayan.
Welcome.
Kabalayan kami.
Okay, sige po. Mayor, mga vloggers natin from Manila.
Hello. Welcome to City of
Hello po.
Welcome to City of Lacron.
And nandun
We are
din.
very proud of Chelsea.
Yes. Nagawa kami. Province.
One heart for 5 seconds. You will be the city mayor. Okay.
5 seconds.
Salamat po. Chelsea sikat ka. Oh, Chelsea sikat ka. Yan na yung bagong kanta namin. Chelsea sikat. Hindi na SK sikat.
More than 5 seconds.
Yes po.
Okay, mayor's office. Okay,
Doon na kayo guys. Guys,
Salamat po. Nagkulong yan. Takulong to.
dito na lang po. Dito na lang. Ivan.
Ayan.
Ivan. Wait lang po. Mamaya po. Staff, wait lang po. Para makunan muna po siya ng ano. Boy.
yes, sir.
Excuse me po. Mamaya na po yung picture. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Of course, po, my heart is very, very grateful, especially at this moment. The Purong City is the specific place where I was actually born, and to be back really, melts my heart so much. And the welcome is so loud. Grabe. Thank you very much po for giving me this acknowledgement and honor. And once again, I am going to bring you in Vietnam in December. Not just the Philippines, but of course the whole province of Sultan Kudarat.
Guys, maoral na daw!
Ha ha ha!
Go na! Balik pa yung magano ha. Kapit. Chelsea! Ano? Oh!
So yun yung mga bata kanina dyan. Hanap ko nga mami. Yun nga eh. Yung mga boy next pa naman.
Sulat. Meron din eh. Oh!
Hello!
Ganda!
Kaway naman.
Oh!
Kaway na sa mga tao.
Kaway sa mga tao.
Sa tao.
Pwede ka na makita kung gusto mo.
Hi boys! Chelsea!
Nila yun yung boss talaga yung tatay. Yung asawa naman, mag-asawa, governor.
Wala bang sigawan dyan?
Wala.
Ayan, maraming crowd. Ayan po! Kasi pinanap ka mami eh!
Chelsea. That's it.
Sultan good at it!
Sultan good at
Yung mga photographer namin ang mga gwapo.
Amazing talaga yun. Hindi po.
Ay, ah! Ano naka-outfit siya? Ano naka-outfit siya? Paano ay pa?
iyong message of gratitude. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Chelsea Fernandez, our Miss Philippines Cosmo 2025.
First of all, thank you so much for attending this grand homecoming. I feel so loved today. Well, initially, when I set aside the Miss Universe, you ensured that I am going to reach the tip of the universe. But now, I am going to ensure that I am bringing all of you to the cosmic swim. Of course, I am truly, deeply grateful for everything, the extreme love, support, and trust that you have given me, most especially, of course, to the province of Sultan Kudarat, to our supportive Governor Dato Pagsari Mangundato, and of course to his First Lady, Vice Chairman Mangundato, and of course the City Mayor of Tacloban, Mayor Joseph. Thank you very much for welcoming me, and again for the extreme love. Everything that you have done for me is really unparalleled. And of course, with so much pride, I am ready to raise our flag of Sultan Kudarat, and of course, the flag of the Philippines in Vietnam in December na po yan. And of course, I would like to ask again for your full support. Together, we will explore the beauty of Cosmo. Thank you so much po.
Pagsari Mangundato, sir, to our Vice Governor Adel Sakaluran, to our Congresswoman Pairihan Mangundato Sakaluran, the heads of offices headed by our Provincial Administrator, Sir Jimmy Andang, to the members of the Sangguniang Candelaria. It's just the beginning of your reign, and we know that even greater things await you. Welcome home, our Queen. Dito sa Sultan Kudarat, patuloy tayong aangat. SK, sikat ka. Tayo ang turismo. Sa City of Tacloban, abante tayo!
The provincial board members, and of course, Thailand Girl. Sige po, diretso po tayo doon. Department heads, welcome board members. Dr. Matias, engineer, joining this grand homecoming and fellowship. Alright, stand by on camera, everybody smile. As the plaque of recognition to Miss Chelsea Lovely C. Fernandez in recognition of her outstanding representation of the province of Sultan Kudarat and the city of Tacloban during the Miss Universe Philippines Pageant 2025, and for Miss Universe Philippines Coronation Night held on May 2, 2025 at the Mall of Asia Arena, and her remarkable courage and achievements in the aforementioned competition served, and this is being signed by Honorable Joseph George Lechoncito, MD, DPA. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, everybody smile, and in 1, 2, 3, one heart.
Sasayaw ka mamaya. Solo performance.
Alright, so once again, Viva! We would like also to request the Gerson team.
One heart.
Everybody, one heart.
Pakita.
Top 4! Top 4!
And at the home of our leaders, the department heads of Lutayan 2, 3, 1 Heart. Yes, the local.
Wala pa kami picture ni Chelsea na ikaw. Kayo pala. Sir Yuri!
Okay, in 1, 2, 5, smile. And in 1, 2, 5, 1 heart. And in 1, 2, 5, kaway-kaway naman tayo dyan.
Fans, supporters, my family and friends as well are telling me na go back to that iconic look. So they really requested for that. So sabi ko, So sabi ng team namin, talagang pinagandaan namin. And we, parang nag-collaborate kami na, okay, different look tayo, but we will reserve that red iconic look on the finals night na.
Anong brand?
Bawal ba i-reveal? Ay, hindi na-reveal na ata! I-search nyo na lang po. Na-reveal na po ang ano. Ang brand is bawal magsabi ng brand. Pero na-reveal na po. Thank you so much.
Jalay. Ang
Jalay.
2025.
Totoo po yan. Never had experience na parang naka-feel ako na nagreklamo, napagod, or parang stress. Fun fact, alam ni Sir Borge, NatCos naman bukas, nag-shoot pa kami ng NatCos, 8 AM ang call time niya, 4 AM nag-shoot pa po kami, hindi siya nagreklamo sa amin. After the shoot, magano lang po siya, tapos after ng time na naman niya, after namin mag-ayos ng set, babalik naman siya with energy na naman. So, it's really a good thing na to be able to work with a very professional and passion-driven person. Because beauty pageant is really one of her passions. So, it's really amazing to work with her.